Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y90 and today I would like to show you how you can change or customize the theme of your keyboard on this HUAWEI. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now select System and Updates, go into Language and Input and select your default Celia keyboard. After that you need to tap on Theme and select the best one for you. I will go with the black one. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you wish to customize it, you need to go into App Gallery and install Microsoft Keyboard called SwiftKey. When it's ready, open it. Now tap on Enable SwiftKey and click on this switcher. Following that, choose OK in the Attention pop-up and choose Select SwiftKey. Now you need to click on it to set it up and click on Finish App. From here you can log in into one of your accounts or tap on that now. Now you need to select Yes or No. I will go with No. And click on OK. Following that, you need to close your app and make sure that it's set up by going into Settings, scrolling down, choosing System and Updates, Language and Input, and from here, Microsoft Keyboard. Now go into Themes and select Custom. Finally, click on Start and select Add Image. Now click on Allow Photos and Videos Only, and finally tap on the photo that you wish to set up. I will go with that one. Now you need to pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. Now tap on Done, manage carry borders and symbols thanks to those two switchers, and when you're ready, select Save at the top right corner. Now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!